So, Sultana told Gigi that I told her I liked her.
Yeah.
I told her I liked her.
Okay.
So, you know, since this head of house something, I never followed Gigi talk. So the day before yesterday, I did. So she told me that I literally told her best friend that I liked her.
Her best friend's around.
Okay. The same thing I'm like, what the fuck? So now just yesterday night where you organize bestie. Because I don't go, but prior to that, Shebi I don't tell you already. Yeah. I'm follow her talk as CB. Even when I win that this thing, I know she know. She know talk and she know the big. But then again, I followed Sultana talk. I didn't want to even talk to her again, but I followed Sultana talk yesterday. Feels like it. You know, so, and I did, she said if she wasn't the one that said it. Culture. You see this boy, he go just go there excited for babe, this thing, yeah, they talk it, yeah.
So, now you've moved.
I don't know, she said she's down for it, like we could try it out. So I don't know, yeah. So, but I don't like the idea of men sleeping in our bed.
Of you?
I don't like the idea of men sleeping in our bed, though.
Okay, men sleeping in our bed. It's something you can clear out.
No, I asked her.
Oh, people sleep in our bed.
I feel like.
But I feel like they're friends, a bit.
Yeah, they are, but.
Well, even if they are friends.
You just might never know.
Yeah.
I think something might be going on, so.
You've told me that before, so shut up. We and you don't just go far.
No, I think so.
We fail.
The way the setting is.
Yes.
If it was just like
pure,
friends, it's gonna be. I know there's gonna be distance. But this one is somehow, you know,
collided.
Yeah. So I don't know. But I truly like our guy. I know the.
Well, you've liked
you've liked everybody.
Bro, don't say that to me. It's hurting. At least let this fool say it.
Who is a fool?
Get out from there.
Shut up, Joe.
Bro, the only person where I feel say me I would be sexually connected to Sultana for this house, because even though you come, if you see my exes, you gonna know why.